My name is Sai Sudha, and by profession, I used to always tell that I am a regional manager with a corporate for almost 16 years. But I've started adding a budding psychologist because after working for almost 16, 17 years into corporate, seeing a lot of stress, anxiety, pressure, and I myself falling prey of that, started searching. And when I started searching for all this, I got in touch with Dr. Chinu Agrawal and Feeling Mind that has transformed and put psychology into me as a passion and now trying to pursue as a profession also. So this was about, how this journey has been, because it has started with MAP. It was a clean slate, and now I can relate to the difference between emotions and feelings, because that's the mission of Feeling Minds also, psychology for everyone. How I got into ACT, I recently completed last year my psychology, MA in psychology through IGNO, and I had heard about ACT as a therapy, but nothing, because these courses, it doesn't, 2 years doesn't take every therapy, everything. It's just a brief of these things. And I was wondering that from where all these therapies are coming. I was thinking CBT done, okay, fine, take. REBT done, fine, take. But I think there's no end to how much, ma'am, you can give and master for every therapy that you have done. Means any word we speak, it comes spontaneously. No. This is not this. It's inconsistent of ACT. Everything is so crystal clear with you, which I haven't seen even in many practicing psychologists who are able to identify. I am still very far from my destination. The journey is on. So ACT, the acceptance. Why? Because the cognitive part, thoughts and beliefs, they are a little tough. But I think for behavior, acceptance, ACT as a therapy, I think this was something which was missing. And as I heard about the ACT and attended the basic, I got so connected to it because I was not working. I was not able to work with myself using CBT so much, but ACT instantly, it connected with me. My takeaways from this session has been so fantastic because of the metaphors in the books and the loads of metaphor discussion that we've done, because that's how life can be actually related and, explained. Not fighting with our own thoughts, but yes, these metaphors immediately gives a soothing effect to us. The role plays and the round robin technique of every part. You gave a structure to the entire ACT. You gave us these steps. Although ACT is not a linear structure, it's a round. It goes into any, but still you gave us these steps and gave us structure. All your worksheets, what to question, and these worksheets, the practice or the round robin sessions were done in pieces so that we master every aspect of it, whether it's the value discussion or dropping the struggle, everything. The first word I liked was creating that room, right? So that was it was giving the entire the expectation was like, it's going to be a big takeaway. You helped us to design workshops, because this is ACT is attending to every part. Anger management, depression, OCD, PTSD, you've done it, everything with us, how this can, be applied. And, anyone who is even struggling with the weight management can so beautifully use the ACT to, get aligned to and acceptance and commitment and, just moving ahead. If I have to talk about Dr. Chinu Agrawal, it is like, it's being someone who is like, a safe haven. a knowledge, bundle of knowledge, dedicated, passionate, holding the hand of every student. I don't know how many students you have, but I think you are part of everyone's life. And as a facilitator, you ensure that it's just not a job done. It has to be well understood in the right way by every participant, a layperson or a professional, any field, but the way you bridge it, it goes to each and every person, whether not from that backdrop. And I have been that example. And today, after almost associated with you for 3 years, I think I am able to, see and walk through psychology, the psychoeducation, everything. And I have got that confidence to take the first step to take it as a profession also today. I would recommend ACT for anyone, everyone, from a smallest, people struggling to lose weight or a chronic pain, anything. So a person in an office stress, a person coping with grief, a person who wants to pursue psychology or wants to understand that what I'm going through, anyone can come and attend this. Of course, the psychologist should learn this from you to give the best to their clients if they are there to heal them. So they should definitely, surely come to you. And those people who are trying to use these therapies by the self-help book, I'll say, please come here. Those self-help book also would require a basic understanding, which, ma'am, you help to bridge. How do you, even to extract things from book is not so easy. And that you make us do. Thank you so much for this beautifully designed act by Feeling Minds. And I'll recommend to each and every person, maybe psychologist or a non-psychologist. Thank you.